Hi, it's Drew here from Brit Chat Club with a video of idioms used in the UK. In today's video, we'll be looking at the idiom bite the bullet. In these videos, I'm going to explain idioms that are commonly used in the UK. Remember, an idiom is a phrase or a group of words where the meaning is not understood by looking at each individual word. Bite the bullet. I'm sure you know what bite means, but let's check the meaning of bullet. A bullet is a thing that you shoot from a gun. They're made of metal and they're very hard, something that you'll need to know for later on in today's lesson. Let's look at the definition. What does it mean, bite the bullet? Very simply, it means to go through a painful or difficult situation. It could be starting a difficult conversation, making a tough decision, or getting on with a challenging task. Often, when we use this idiom, it comes with the understanding that it's unavoidable or a necessary thing to do. Let's check some examples. At work, you might say something like, she needs to bite the bullet and tell her boss that she's made a mistake. In a school situation, you could say, my final exams are soon. I need to bite the bullet and start revising seriously. Or perhaps you need to make a difficult financial decision. You could say, our car is getting quite old now. We need to bite the bullet and buy a new one. Can you think of any examples where you could use this idiom or where you might have used this idiom in the past, making a difficult decision? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's check the origin of this idiom. The first recorded use was by Rudyard Kipling in 1891 in his novel The Light That Failed. But where did it come from? Well, do you remember at the start of the lesson I told you that bullets were made of metal and that they were hard? That's important because bullets were actually used to bite down on as a form of pain relief. Let me explain. Before anaesthetic, which is used to reduce pain, patients used to bite down on something hard to distract them from the pain they were experiencing. You might have seen in films when people bite down on leather belts, for example. Well, in wartime, soldiers used to bite down on bullets to distract them from the pain. That's because they had bullets available. And so that's where the phrase, bite the bullet, came from originally. Remember, today it just means to accept a difficult and unavoidable situation normally. So, if you have a difficult situation in your life that you need to face, remember to be brave, have courage, and bite the bullet. That's it for today's idiom. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. And if you're interested in taking online English lessons with me, check out my website, britchatclub.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!